before the sun rises, Nevada already guards a secret buried deep beneath its desert.
This land looks silent, but below, billions worth of gold are waiting. For thousands of years, these mountains have hidden what the world desires most.
Every modern gold mine begins with understanding the ground, not breaking it. Geologists study maps and samples, searching for signs invisible to the eye.
When drilling starts, the desert finally reveals its story.
Inside this core sample, tiny traces that confirm massive wealth below. Only after certainty comes preparation, removing layers of time and stone. Each bucket of rock brings miners closer to the gold-bearing zone.
Nothing here is rushed. Precision decides profit.
This is Nevada's open-pit mining scale. Massive, controlled, relentless. Ore carrying gold begins its long journey towards separation. Crushers break ancient rock into manageable pieces. Conveyors move non-stop, feeding the heart of the operation. Grinding continues until stone becomes powder. Inside the mill, steel and rock collide endlessly. Gold is freed, not by force, but by process. The powdered ore flows like liquid stone. In these tanks, chemistry does what machines cannot. Gold dissolves silently, invisible but captured. Activated carbon traps the gold from the solution. Each grain now carries real value. The gold-loaded carbon moves to the final recovery stage. Here, gold is stripped back from the carbon. Electric current pulls gold from solution. Slowly, gold forms again, particle by particle. What looks like sludge is actually concentrated wealth.
Now it's ready for fire.
Furnaces reach temperatures few materials survive. Gold concentrate enters the crucible. Molten gold glows. Pure, heavy, unstoppable. Impurities are removed, leaving value behind. Liquid gold is poured into bar molds. Cooling begins, and history takes shape. A solid gold bar emerges from the mold. Purity and weight are stamped permanently.
These bars represent months of work.
Security seals what the earth released. Mining never truly stops in Nevada. As the sun sets, machines keep moving. Night shifts continue under artificial light. Time passes. Gold remains. Morning returns, and the cycle repeats. Every day follows the same discipline. Each bar tells a silent story of effort. Gold is secured for transport. It begins its journey beyond the desert. From isolation to global markets. The mine grows smaller from above. Much of Nevada's gold is still untouched. The desert hides more than it shows. These mountains have witnessed centuries of mining, and they still hold secrets. The lights fade, but operations continue. Gold reflects the effort behind it. Wealth shaped by earth and time. The desert returns to silence. But beneath it, value sleeps. Nevada remains America's gold capital.